gentlemen. Today, we're going to talk about Greenland statistics.
Firstly, I'll be talking about Greenland's geography. It is 67.1039 degrees north and 50.3323 degrees west. It is near north of North America and is in between Arctic and Atlantic Ocean.
Its land area is around 2166086 kilometers square.
It is 404,783,953 football fields wide.
And it is the world's largest island. And there are no permanent crops and no arable land.
Its ice sheet is 1,755,637 km square. 81% of the island is filled with ice and water. The highest point of the island is 3,700 meters above ground. The lowest point of the island is 0 meters above ground.
What do I see? We will be moving on to the next aspect, which is the economy of the country.
Greenland's economy is very dependent on its export of fish and shrimp. And due to the continued dependence on its export of fish, which accounts for 82% of the economy, it is very sensitive to foreign developments.
The labour force of the country is 28240 in January 2009, and the unemployment rate of the country is 6.8% in 2007. The labour force by occupation is at 4.9% of the population, thus a job related to agriculture, and 31.9% of the population does industry jobs, and the other 63.2% does services jobs. This is a 2007 estimate.
Some examples of the agricultural products that Greenland does is forage crops, garden and greenhouses, vegetables, reindeer and fish.
Now we will be moving on to the exports in Greenland. This entry provides the total US dollar amount of merchandise exports on an FOB basis. These figures are calculated on an exchange rate basis, not in purchasing power parity terms.
The export in Greenland in 2008 is 485 million. Their exports include food and live animals, crude materials, inedible except fuels, chemicals and related products, etc., manufactured goods, classified chiefly by material, machinery and transport equipment, miscellaneous manufactured articles, and commodities.
Exports commodities are fish products that take up 72% and 10% is by metals 2008 estimate. Some export partners are Denmark 63.7%, Japan 12.1%, China 8.5% in 2010.
Unemployment rate.
Now we will be moving on to the country's unemployment rate. As you can see from the chart, the unemployment rate dropped from 1995 to 1999 by 5%, but shot up again in 2000 by 5% and gradually dropped from 2000 to 2005 by 2.8% and dropped by another 3% in 2005 to 2007.
The tourism rate in Greenland in 2005 was very low in January and shot up tremendously in during July and August. Generally, more old-age people visited Greenland in 2008.
Hello. Say hello.
Hi. Greenland.
We are having
Greenland, is it?
like our thing now, and Amira is having difficulties like sticking the tourism chart up.
I just scotched it.
And it's 7 o'clock in the evening.
So fast.
Yep. Oh, somebody be there to do the thing. Okay, come on, let's try it one time. BA, already position, go. Anthony, get out of the way. This will be like that. Take the chair away with you.
Hey, wait. So is she supposed to start talking or is she supposed to go?